Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into the thrilling world of naked sport bikes with the new 2026 Yamaha MT-07. Known for its perfect balance of performance, agility, and accessibility, the MT-07 has long been a favorite among riders who crave excitement without excess. For 2026, Yamaha refines this fan favorite with sharper styling, upgraded tech, and even more rider-focused dynamics. Let's break down what makes this new MT-07 such an enticing evolution. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha MT-07 embraces the brand's dark side of Japan design philosophy with a bolder, more aggressive look. Its new LED headlight unit features a sleeker profile, giving the bike a futuristic edge while maintaining its muscular stance. The tank shrouds and tail section have been subtly reshaped for better aerodynamics and visual flow, while new color options and finishes like Midnight Cyan and Storm Metallic add to its street appeal. The overall design feels leaner, meaner, and unmistakably MT, performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 MT-07 is Yamaha's beloved 689cc liquid-cooled CP2 parallel twin engine, tuned for responsive torque and thrilling mid-range power. The throttle response has been refined for smoother delivery, and a new slip assist clutch enhances control during downshifts. Yamaha has also updated the exhaust system for improved efficiency and a more resonant tone. Suspension and braking components receive light revisions for better feedback and confidence, ensuring the MT-07 remains a benchmark for accessible performance and everyday fun, safety, and technology. For 2026, Yamaha adds a significant tech boost. The bike now features a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to access calls, notifications, and navigation through Yamaha's companion app. Dual-channel ABS remains standard, and select trims offer traction control for added security on variable surfaces. The switchgear is redesigned for easier operation, and LED lighting throughout improves visibility and style. These updates make the MT-07 not just thrilling, but smarter and safer than ever. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha MT-07 continues to define the middleweight, naked segment with its unbeatable mix of power, poise, and everyday practicality. With sharper design, refined performance, and added tech, this latest version is set to excite both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts alike. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more deep dives into the latest machines redefining the road.